Hello, and welcome to Kitchenesia, your cozy corner for all things kitchen inspiration and design. I'm so glad you're here today because we're diving into some truly stunning luxury kitchen ideas that you'll wish you had sooner. Whether you're dreaming of a simple refresh or a full makeover, stick around until the end. I promise you'll find plenty of beautiful styles and clever touches that make a kitchen feel warm, elegant, and totally inviting. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's explore these gorgeous kitchens together. Imagine stepping into a kitchen where soft white marble countertops gleam warmly under gentle gold fixtures. The pastel cabinetry feels like a calming embrace, while the delicate floral backsplash adds a touch of timeless charm. Sunlight streams through large windows, filling the space with natural light that makes every detail glow. It's a blend of elegance and comfort, perfect for those quiet mornings or lively gatherings. This kitchen isn't just a room, it's a serene retreat you'll wish you had all along. Picture a kitchen wrapped in rich walnut cabinetry paired with deep emerald walls trimmed in gold. The grand quartz island anchors the room with its dramatic veining, while classic crystal pendants cast a soft, inviting light. This space combines the best of modern style and traditional grace, creating a timeless elegance that feels both luxurious and welcoming. It's a perfect balance of sophistication and warmth that invites you to savor every moment in it. Step into a kitchen designed with soft cream cabinets and brushed brass hardware that shimmer softly in the light. Polished concrete floors add a modern edge, while lush greenery in ceramic pots breathes life into the space. A marble-topped breakfast bar invites casual conversations or peaceful mornings, with large glass doors opening to a tranquil garden view. This kitchen offers a perfect blend of natural beauty and refined style, creating a calming, elegant haven. Imagine a chic kitchen where glossy black lacquered cabinets contrast with white marble countertops veined in dramatic dark lines. Gold-accented appliances and a subtle geometric backsplash add an Art Deco flair, enhanced by warm under-cabinet lighting. The overall effect is modern luxury, with a sophisticated edge that feels both bold and inviting. It's a stunning space where every detail speaks to refined taste and contemporary glamour. Visualize a kitchen bathed in soft blush pink cabinetry paired with white marble flecked with gold. Vintage-inspired brass fixtures add charm and warmth, while a large island features a built-in wine cooler for casual elegance. Delicate floral wallpaper softly adorns the walls, creating a feminine yet contemporary atmosphere. This kitchen feels like a beautifully curated space that blends grace and style effortlessly, perfect for anyone who values both comfort and sophistication. Welcome to a kitchen with light gray shaker cabinets and white quartz countertops that gleam softly in the daylight. A herringbone tile backsplash adds classic charm, while brushed nickel fixtures complement the serene palette. Natural wood elements and pastel accents soften the atmosphere, making it cozy yet upscale. This kitchen is a warm, inviting space where simplicity meets elegance, perfect for creating everyday memories with a touch of refinement. Picture an elegant kitchen with alabaster countertops and pale blue cabinets trimmed in gold. Large arched windows draped with sheer curtains let in gentle natural light, brightening the marble island centerpiece. Soft recessed lighting highlights intricate crown molding, creating a serene and sophisticated atmosphere. It's a space where classic details meet fresh style, offering timeless beauty that feels both welcoming and luxurious at once. Imagine a kitchen with warm taupe cabinetry paired beautifully with cream marble countertops veined in soft gray. Brass pendant lights with frosted glass shades cast a cozy glow over a spacious island with ample storage. Patterned terracotta flooring adds a handcrafted touch, blending artisanal charm with luxurious design. This kitchen feels like a perfect balance of comfort and elegance, inviting, stylish, and full of character. Step into a bright kitchen where crisp white cabinetry meets matte black hardware for a striking contrast. A white marble island with a waterfall edge anchors the space, complemented by soft gray walls and elegant gold-accented pendant lights. Fresh white tulip arrangements and lace curtains add delicate feminine touches, creating a refined yet inviting atmosphere. It's a space that feels both classic and fresh, designed to inspire and delight every day. Imagine a kitchen painted in muted sage green, with white quartz countertops and vintage brass faucets that shine softly. A hand-painted floral tile backsplash adds a unique artisan touch, while a rustic wooden dining table invites warm, casual gatherings. Sunlight filters in, highlighting the fresh yet sophisticated palette. This kitchen blends natural beauty with elegant details, creating a cozy, welcoming space you'll love to come home to. Step into a kitchen glowing with glossy cream cabinets and rose gold fixtures that shimmer softly. A marble backsplash with subtle pink undertones adds a gentle warmth, while a curved island with a cozy breakfast nook invites relaxed moments. Velvet upholstered stools in pastel hues complete the feminine, luxurious feel. This kitchen is a beautiful blend of classic charm and contemporary style, designed to make every moment special. Picture a soft lavender kitchen with white marble counters and delicate silver handles that add an understated shine. A spacious island offers plenty of storage, while glass front cabinets display fine china with quiet elegance. Floral arrangements and pendant lighting create a calm, inviting atmosphere. This kitchen feels like a peaceful retreat, where every detail is thoughtfully designed to bring beauty and comfort together. Imagine a timeless kitchen with light beige cabinetry and white quartz countertops accented by brushed gold faucets. A large marble island holds inset bowls filled with seasonal fruit, adding natural color and freshness. Cream walls are softly decorated with damask wallpaper, lending a graceful, classic feel. This kitchen is a perfect blend of elegance and warmth, creating a space where tradition meets modern comfort beautifully. Visualize a kitchen in pale mint green with smooth white marble surfaces that gleam under soft lighting. Brushed brass fixtures add a touch of luxury, while a cozy breakfast nook features floral cushions for extra comfort. Large windows framed by sheer curtains let soft daylight flood the space, making it feel fresh and sophisticated. This kitchen offers a serene, uplifting environment perfect for relaxing and enjoying the simple pleasures. Picture a kitchen with soft gray-blue cabinetry and white marble countertops accented by subtle gold details. A crystal chandelier hangs elegantly above a large island, casting a warm, sparkling light. Classic paneled walls painted creamy white add texture and depth, while floral arrangements bring a touch of nature indoors. This kitchen balances timeless style with gentle luxury, creating a calm and inviting space you'll adore. Imagine a warm cream kitchen with polished marble counters and antique brass hardware that shines softly in the light. A large island with an integrated cookbook shelf invites creativity, while delicate botanical print wallpaper adds a subtle natural charm. Warm recessed lighting enhances the cozy yet refined atmosphere, making this kitchen a perfect space for quiet mornings or relaxed afternoons filled with inspiration. Thanks so much for watching and joining me on this kitchen journey. We've explored so many beautiful, luxurious designs today, from soft pastels to bold marble accents, warm brass details to cozy nooks that can inspire your own dream kitchen. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kitchenesia for more heartfelt design ideas, and don't forget to leave a comment sharing your favorite style or any questions you have. Your support means the world and helps us create even more content you'll love.